All right, my fellow CruiseAholics, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the Celebrity Beyond. When Mom and I went, the Beyond was probably out for about a year because I think it came out in 2022. As you can see here with this decked out peacock, the Beyond belongs to Celebrity's Edge class, which is their luxurious class. I think that all celebrity ships are probably a little bit bougie and luxurious compared to like my favorite, Royal Caribbean. I do like Royal Caribbean, but if I want to be bougie and or eat amazing food even in the buffet, Celebrity is the way to go. And they will pamper you. And Celebrity's room design is a lot more modern than a lot of Royal Caribbean's ships. Even in Royal's newer ships, I think that Celebrity's newer ships have a more modern design than Royal Caribbean's newer ships. Now, Royal Caribbean's newer ships have amazing rooms, and they are a lot more modern than the older ships. But I think Celebrity has that sleek, modern design that feels more like a hotel room, as you can see here in our Infinite Veranda room. So this is that room that people were talking about online. It's not a regular balcony, okay? You're not going to be able to open your sliding door and step outside into a balcony and close the door behind you. That's not what's going on here, okay? But what I do like is, as you can see, it's beautifully designed. And if you look back towards the balcony area, look at all the light that comes in. It just feels so open and so spacious and so bright. There is a couch over there that's really comfortable. I like my couches kind of firm. So to me, that was really comfortable, and it can pull out if necessary. Of course, we didn't need that because there were just the two of us. The artwork in this room, y'all, I just adored. Okay, I love the yellow accents. I love the yellow in the pictures, the yellow blanket, everything. Again, look at that light coming in. As you can see, it transitions. So there's no actual balcony, just a little transition into what I like to call a little sunroom. It feels like a sunroom to me, or what my sister might call a window room. But I do love it though. I do love the floor to ceiling window, okay? Because it's not a balcony. Let's be real. It's not a balcony. I do love the floor to ceiling window, okay? Good carpet. I love the carpet design too. I compare it to Royal Caribbean, whose carpet is just kind of Royal Caribbean is my favorite. I don't care what you say. I don't care what anybody says. They're my favorite. They're the most fun. But these rooms just look so much better to me. Not going to go over all the ins and outs of where all of the outlets are, where the blow dryer is, how many drawers there are. I'm just not going to do that. But I will show you the closet, and so you can see how much space is in there. And then we will head into the restroom. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I'm looking underneath the bed. This is why I'm looking underneath the bed, because for the first time on this trip, I decided I was going to put my suitcase under this bed instead of putting it in the closet. And I wanted to see how much space was under here. I wanted to make sure there was enough space to put my big old suitcase. And there's plenty of room down there to put that big old suitcase. Y'all probably already knew that. This was actually my first time actually doing that. Watch your step as you head into the restroom. Love the bathroom design. Love the sink. Love the sink. Plenty of sink space. Nice and long. Fits in there perfectly. Love it. Back to this bright room that I adore. I hope you all enjoyed that quick look of the Infinite Veranda room on the Celebrity Beyond, because let's be real, CruiseAholics want to know what we're working with. So this is what we're working with on the Celebrity Beyond if you get an Infinite Veranda room. So let me know what you like. Would you rather have an Infinite Veranda or a traditional balcony? Drop that in the comments. I want to know how you feed your cruise addictions. All right, until next time.